Why initialize Python variables before use? Imagine trying to bake a cake without knowing if you have eggs or flour ready. In Python programming, not initializing variables is just like that. It's asking for trouble. When you write code, you want everything to run smoothly, and that starts with setting up your variables properly. If you forget to give a variable a starting point, Python will get confused and throw an error called a name error. This error pops up because Python doesn't know what value to assign to that variable yet. By initializing variables before using them, you tell Python exactly what to expect. For example, if you want to count how many items are in a list, setting count is equal to 0 at the beginning makes it clear that counting starts from 0. It also makes your code easier to read because anyone looking at it can see what kind of data the variable is supposed to hold. If you initialize a variable as isActive is equal to false, it shows that the program expects a Boolean value, which is either true or false. This helps prevent bugs because the variable starts with a predictable state. Initializing variables also helps when you want to update or change values later in your program. If you set score is equal to 0 at the start, you can safely add points without worrying about the variable holding an unexpected value. Python allows you to assign multiple variables at once, like a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 0, which keeps your code clean and saves time. Even though Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't have to declare data types explicitly, initializing a variable with a value helps Python understand what kind of data it is dealing with. For example, setting name is equal to makes it clear that name is meant to hold text. Remember, always assign an initial value to your variables before using them in calculations, conditions, or loops. This simple step avoids runtime errors, makes your code clearer, and helps your program behave as expected. So, in the world of Python, initializing variables before use is a smart habit that keeps your code running smoothly and your projects on track.